Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris on PC. First, you will need to decide where to play. You can easily find many free Tetris games online that run right in your web browser, requiring no downloads. Alternatively, official Tetris applications are available for download on popular gaming platforms. Once you have chosen your game, make sure your keyboard is set up comfortably for the fast-paced action ahead. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Now, let's dive into the basic controls for playing Tetris on your computer. You will primarily use your keyboard. The left and right arrow keys move the falling tetramino horizontally across the playfield. To rotate the piece, simply press the up arrow key, usually for a clockwise turn. For a soft drop, which speeds up the piece's descent, use the down arrow key. When you are ready to lock a piece into position instantly, hit the spacebar for a hard drop. Mastering these 4 basic actions is your first step to becoming a Tetris master. Moving on to core strategy, your main goal is to clear lines by completely filling all 10 horizontal blocks with tetraminos. The most rewarding move is clearing 4 lines simultaneously, which is famously called a Tetris and grants you the highest points. To achieve this, try to keep your playfield as flat as possible, avoiding large, unfillable gaps. Always plan several moves ahead, anticipating the next few pieces to set up your line clears efficiently. Strategic placement is key to maintaining a long game and achieving high scores. To truly elevate your Tetris game, consider exploring advanced techniques. One powerful strategy is learning T-spin setups, which involve rotating a T-shaped piece into a tight space for bonus points. Also, practice efficient stacking, building your pieces in an organized way to create opportunities for multiple line clears. Remember to utilize the hold feature, which allows you to save one tetramino for a more opportune moment. Consistent practice is the most effective way to improve your reaction time, recognize patterns faster, and ultimately achieve impressive high scores. Keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.